Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create chat rules for your streams on Kick. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to the Kick application, log into your account and navigate to your creator dashboard. From here, navigate to moderation on the left hand side. Here what you want to do guys is navigate to access here, to the access tab, or to display, sorry, here, and then navigate to the chat rules below, and here you can enter your chat rules that will be then displayed to new chatters or first-time chatters on your channel, and they will need to agree to these chat rules before they will be allowed to participate in the conversations and chats during your streams. So guys, if you, for example, leave that panel here blank, there won't be any rules to display or to be accepted by first-time chatters. So that's just a default example here. You will need to type in your own chat rules like this. I don't know, be respectful and kind to each other and so forth. Respect others. Don't use any bad words, but you can also use, in addition to that, a word filter here. You can set it up in your Kick profile and chat settings. So once you have created your chat rules, confirm by clicking into that button here. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.